We've just acquired this BMW 1 Series diesel M Sport. It is top of the range being the M Sport, so it's got the M Sport body styling kit. Upgraded, unmarked, anthracite alloy wheels. It's in gleaming white. The vehicle looks nowhere near like the age or the mileage it's done. It's in fantastic condition. Rear park distance control. The private plate may be coming with it. I'll add that into the description whether it's coming or not. Different ways of driving it: Sport, Comfort, Eco Pro mode, iDrive, aircon climate condition, multifunction steering wheel. It really does look and drive fantastic. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.